In this tutorial, we'll cover the Set Node Collision-enabled node in SimLab Composer, a versatile tool for managing object interactions in your VR scenes. This node allows you to enable and disable collision for specific objects, giving you precise control over when users can interact with elements in your environment. For this tutorial, we'll use the Set Node Collision-enabled node to disable the collision on the glass door of an island freezer, allowing users to click on the items inside. Now let's begin. First, open your project in SimLab Composer, then navigate to the Training Builder. Then in the Events section, select the event you want to use. For this example, choose the Scene Start event. Then, right-click to open the Nodes list window, then from the Responses section, select the Set Node Collision-enabled node. In the Scene Node input, attach the model you want to control collision settings for. Then, you can set the collision to true to enable it or false to disable it. For this example, set it to false to disable the collision. Now let's test it.